You may find it difficult to believe that with this mitt, half a bucket of water and no car shampoo, that you can wash your car and have it look beautifully clean, shiny and streak-free. But you absolutely can do that. This mitt is made from our chenille microfiber. This side here you use on your car paint and the wheels of your car, this side on the glass and on the interior of your car, and use it in conjunction with the car cloth. This is actually a polishing cloth that will leave your glass and your car paint looking shiny and streak-free. When you're using this on your car, just use half a bucket of water. Start by cleaning the roof of your car and dry the roof of your car. Then move down and do all of your windows with this side of the mitt and dry them off with the car cloth. The reason you clean your windows early on in the car washing process is because if this cloth starts to get too wet, it will leave your glass streaky. I actually had to give my husband a lesson about this the other day. He's been using these products for years, but I saw what he was doing. He had tons of water for a start. You don't need tons of water. Just wet the mitt in the bucket, give it a little wring out, wipe, and dry. If you have the mitt too wet, then you're going to find that this cloth is going to get too wet too quickly and you'll end up with streaks and watermarks. So roof first, then windows, then move down to the car panels, cleaning them with this chenille fingerside and drying the panels off. Finish with the wheels. We actually though sell way more of this car mitt for cleaning fly screens than for cleaning cars. Brilliant thing about using this car mitt for cleaning fly screens is that you've got this little bit of stitching here, and that will actually stop the mitt from flying off your hand while you're using it. So you don't have to hold onto the mitt like this. You just put your hand in and your hand's just like this. So it's very, very comfortable to use. Excellent for people who have arthritis and find it difficult to hold onto a cloth. But this mitt also has a little bit of foam lining, and that foam lining will help push the microfiber into the holes of your fly screen to give it a more effective clean. I've wet this mitt under the tap and I've wrung it out. I don't want to use a dry mitt to clean the fly screen because otherwise I'll end up with dust being flicked out onto me as I'm cleaning it. So I'm going to use the smooth side to clean the screen, and this screen has been cleaned recently with a Norwex mitt, so unfortunately I'm not going to have a lot of dirt to show you, but I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. So you just start at the top of the screen and just rub over it like so. Now if my screen was really dirty, then I'd start with the shaggy side first and go that way, then flip over and go that way.